Well, it's the next morning. It's early day. We're heading down to Afton Apple Orchard for the Minnesota Four-Wheel Drive Association swap meet. It's only going to be half a day, so we'll have to figure out something else to do on the way back.
I know.
What's that?
Let's go antiquing.
Oh,
It's going to be beautiful today. It is a perfect day to go antiquing.
I see. What's the temperature supposed to be today?
75.
Wow. Okay.
So it's a perfect day to go antiquing.
Yeah?
I can't promise I won't buy anything.
Well, we're here early in the morning.
Summer events, all kinds of stuff.
Almost there. Keep going.
Yeah, I got that with Bobby.
She's dumping
Same with
her
ours.
coat so bad right now. So bad.
There's not much in there anymore. Hey, Eric.
Kool-Aid concentrate. Some plant somewhere in Minnesota that would even just flavor your water nicely. The residuals.
Different than ours, but they added on because I think one of their parents.
You need
lived-
some Dana 60U joints?
No, not right at the moment.
Those are Nitro Super
but-
joints.
Yeah?
I got a good deal on them.
Well, I haven't broke my factory ones yet.
That's the problem. It's once you do break that factory one, it wipes all your ears. So
Yeah.
it's better to have a solid shaft in
Well,
there so
then-
that it doesn't break and then you don't wipe out your ears.
Then I just throw another shaft in. I don't take time to change a U-joint.
That's the smart way to do it. Is
And then if you're running truck intake versus car intake, there's the car intake has max airflow sense. I looked up the whole criteria going in to figure out a priority.
Yeah, no, we can borrow it.
Well, that was the cool part. She got her town. And I threw her in. Let's go for a drive. I don't care. We drove her out. She did just fine. And then when she did her eval, you've driven before. You haven't been. But yeah,
I was just over least it was in your yard. I would have fucking.
That Jeep was the one that made me go like, first thing that
Timmy's here. We just saw him over there. No,
Shots of whiskey in here, Tom. You guys got a short shaft. Short shaft. Oh, long ago to
well, it's not very nice.
Can't walk 12 feet without running into somebody in chat.
What's it worth? Tell me what'll make you happy.
Well, I gotta make something. I got gas money.
So the swamp meet's pretty much done. We're heading out. We still got some time. What do you want to do?
I want to go antiquing. It's too hot out to do anything else. I want to go antiquing.
Okay. Well, do you know where the antique stores are?
In town. I'll look for them.
Okay. Well, there's our first antique store. I don't know how many we're going to stop at, but
Which one, the bottom?
How are you guys?
good.
That one too, I love.
No, just looking.
Did you tell the story yet?
And it's like,
No.
it's like the rain does.
There is a
huge
sale over there.
Huge man sale.
Man sale, so guys are
Oh.
coming that way. Girls are staying here.
Okay.
Or
You're welcome to stay.
No.
Okay. Well, we'll have to go next door to look too.
Isn't that cool? That guy makes the coolest lamp ever. Would you like some wine? We have a Pinot Grigio. Sure. What kind would you like? Pinot's fine. Alrighty. I got a wine clock here that is always full. Oh. You want some wine?
No, thank you.
Would you like a lady?
We have a line.
No.
I go less on that green thing too. Oh. Hold on, I go less on that. 120 on. You would?
Well, we didn't see anything we needed in there. What do you think? Should we eat at Texas Roadhouse?
Yes.
Okay.
Find a parking spot.
All right, we will. Stillwater is busy, but they do have antique stores.
Yes, they do.
Suppose we're gonna have to find a place to park.
Yep. Huh. That's cool. Can I have this rock, honey? It's very pretty.
Yeah. What'd you find?
Oh, I'm just looking. These are really cool tea sets.
Uh-huh.
High. Deviled eggs, please.
Yeah.
What is that?
That's a keg tapper.
Oh. Look at the chonka.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Oh, an old Dick Tracy car.
Yep. And that's made out of tin. Just like these are made out of tin.
Oh, yeah.
They're all tin. They used to only be 15 cents. That's even tin. Wow. Look at that.
John F. Kennedy International Airport. Mack truck, snowplow. A G.I. Joe and a Jeep. Used to have a Jeep like that for G.I. Joe. Yep. Mail pouch, Coca-Cola. Oh yeah. Oh, get a load of these retro chairs.
Oh my goodness.
I've never seen any with colors like that.
These are cigar boxes.
Yeah.
I have 3 of them.
you. I couldn't do that. It's a stove. I can't do that.
Too expensive?
No, not my type.
Desks, lots of desks.
Desks.
Chemistry sets.
And that's kind of the point they look big though, is it? I would have more independence. And like my performance reviews are all around.
Oh, a mobile tube repair kit.
Oh my land. Look at these tools.
Oh yeah.
Holy.
Can you imagine trying to turn nuts and bolts with those all day long?
No, that would hurt.
Yeah. Well, lots of neat stuff, but nothing we can't live without. Well, we did the touristy Stillwater thing. Walked around Stillwater, checked out the antique shops, and couldn't find anything we couldn't live without. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods. You want to stop at Crabtree's?
Yeah.
Okay. They're closed.